it's a joy to bring my greeting as well as that of Mr. McCustra and the entire community. As Mr. McCustra mentioned, it is a beautiful sight to see us all gathered in this place. It doesn't happen very often, and a lot of trouble has been gone to by many people in our community to make this occasion so happy and so important.
As a leadership team, we believe in the importance of building meaningful connections across the whole school community so that we have a strong support network which can encourage us to make the most of all the opportunities that Barker has to offer and to help us overcome any challenges that we may face. We've surmised this vision in the line Connect the College, which really just means that this year we want to continue to create a welcoming environment here at school where everyone feels like they belong.